welcome back to my channel. So guys, on this video we are going to be making very soft and yummy bread. So you can call it dinner roll, any type of your choice. So I'm going to be listing all my ingredients on my screen. Feel free to check it out. Guys, this is 20 minutes later, so I'm going to be adding my butter into it. This is my butter. It has been on room temperature, so I'm going to fold it into the before we transfer it into our board. So this is after about 15 minutes. So we are going to be, taking it. I'm just going to just few minutes, and we are good to go. Lightly just covered it. It will rest for about 1 hour before taking it to our oven. Guys, it's ready. This is our quick, yummy and tasty bread. So very easy for breakfast if you are a mom with children. It's very easy, yummy and delicious. Yeah, so yummy and very soft. So this is a quick recipe for breakfast. If your kids are going to school that early morning and you can just wake up between a tick of minute or hour, it's ready. Yeah, see you guys on my next video. Bye.